Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Leos. We are picking few cards, guys. And I also have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that, guys. That will follow this reading. Leos. So let's start with the general energies, Leos. We have 9 of Pentacles in reverse, 4 of Pentacles in reverse, and Death. So in your situation, guys, Leos, maybe for some of you, you may be seeing some obstacles, some kind of delays or suspensions in your work, some obstacles you need to overcome. Maybe you are putting in lot of efforts, you are striving really hard, but whatever it is, you feel that things are not going as expected. Maybe in your career, some difficulties, guys, and maybe for some of you some projects or some financial agreements, whatever it is, supposed to reach you within the timeline, all that is may get delayed or some kind of uh, suspension in your work situation, Leos. And I also see that maybe for some of you, you are changing the way things are going. Maybe for some of you, certain things that are not working well for you or for your circumstance, all that is leaving you. So it may be a person leaving you, or it may be a circumstance which is not a positive thing that is leaving you, or something uh, what to say unexpected is happening. Maybe it is giving a lot of pain, but this change is necessary. Maybe you expected this change, or uh, you were having a vague idea that this will come to pass very soon for some of you guys, but it is still really painful for the change that is happening in your circumstance. But the old must be uh, thrown away, guys, for the new things to come in life. And that is what is happening in your life today, Leos, and you are making lots of changes, positive changes in your situation, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. 4 of Cups. So with this card in your situation, there is someone coming towards you. They are interested in you. They want to be in relationship with you, but you are not aware of it. Maybe because you are having your own concern, maybe your work concern or something, maybe some concern about your health or someone's health. So you are preoccupied with something that maybe the reason you are not aware of this person's interest in you, guys, Leos. So that is the energy with this card. Let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Judgment in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, maybe you have some kind of a weakness. It may be an addiction, like drinking or smoking, something which can affect your health. So this may be your energy or someone in your close circle. It may be your friend or a family member. So that is affecting you or affecting the way things are going in your work situation, guys, these addictions. So you need to go for moderation, guys, Leos. That is the energy with these cards, guys. If you are interested, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading. that is coming up right now, guys, Leos. For your love reading, guys, today's pick a card. We have two cards here, and it is from the Fairy Tale Oracle. So, these cards may clarify your situation, give you some answers. So, you need to close your eyes, think about your situation for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, or the crystal. So, this is your first card, and this is your second card. You can either meditate thinking of these crystals or with the cards, and then you can choose the card which comes to you first as you open your eyes. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card here. We will see what it is. It is wounds. Verde Prato. That is the card for you all. It just means that for those who have chosen this card, maybe you are hiding something. Maybe you are hiding your true feelings for someone from the people close to you. So you have kept some secrets from them, and they are trying to punish you or hurt you because you are holding something secretly close to your heart and you are not willing to reveal that. And maybe today the worst things have happened in your situation because you have held the secret for so long, and something has happened because of that. But today you can reveal your true feelings for this person, and you can speak your mind. So that way you will not put your love or put your feelings to more danger. So there are people in your situation who are trying to control you, guys. They are here as your friend or a family member, but they are trying to control you, dominate you, dominate your decisions or dominate your actions. Because they are really irritated because you have not revealed what is there in your heart to them. So they feel really bad and they want to do something against you. They want to punish you or hurt you in return. But if you want your love to grow or flourish, you have to come out with your true feelings. You have to reveal what you feel about that person in truth, guys. So that way you will be true to your heart, and you need courage in your heart to do that, guys. That is what I see. So you need to face your fears. Maybe you are afraid that this person, maybe your friend or a family member, they may not have that acceptance for this love. But whatever it is, we have to face our fears. Whatever fears we have to face. We have to have that courage in our hearts to stand up for what we believe in and stand up for what we love. So, or for some of you, you are having a secret affair with someone and you are hiding it, maybe. So you need to bring it out, guys. That is the energy with this card. Tell the truth today. That is the energy with this card, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first card. Let's see what is the second card. For those who have chosen this crystal and this card, it says Fairy Ointment, the sight. So the energy with this card is that maybe for some of you, you have some rare gifts. Maybe you have a great intuition. guiding you every step of the way. And today, maybe in your circumstance, you are seeing some things, uh, and it is truthful to you. You know what will happen, or know in that circumstance how things are going to go, or you have an idea how things will go, or it will take course. But you need to keep this gift silently, guys, because you should not reveal what you truly feel without people asking you, because it is best that way to give our suggestions only when someone is asking for it, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need to what to say, if you speak without that person asking you what it is, or they may not trust you, they may even feel what to say, irritated, because they may feel that you are saying things because you are jealous or envious towards them. That is the reason you are speaking few things, and they may not even trust your intuition. So if you are someone with some rare gifts, maybe intuition is something I am giving as an example, maybe or for some of us, we may have a feeling that something bad, when something bad is about to happen, we may have some kind of a premonition. So when we have those kind of gifts, it is best that we keep it to ourselves instead of revealing it. We can suggest some things to help that person to avoid that circumstance, but we should not come out with the truth that we see things in such a way, or we fear that so and so may take place, and we should not tell our we should not talk openly about our gifts, guys. Maybe this may be your circumstance today, guys, so you need to be silent. If you have some intuition telling you some certain things, you need to be silent. And if it is with someone really close to you, you can just help them avoid that situation, guys, so that way it is not going to affect that person nor you. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card, guys. Thanks again, guys, for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.